Hey, what's up traders? The FX Hunter. I wish you a good start to the new trading week, and right now we're gonna look to the trade I'm planning to take on the Euro USD. So first of all, this is definitely not investment advice. This is just what I'm going to do based on my personal opinions and my analysis. So definitely not advising anyone taking this trade. It's pure for the educational purposes. So first of all, we're gonna look to the COT on the Euro USD data. So what we can see in here is basically on this my tab where we are collecting the historically the COT data, the bank's positions which are reported every Tuesday. So what we can see in here is basically that the banks has been quite heavily bullish, actually here in the past as well. Then they started to close these positions, right? They've been closing these longs. They a little bit bring some shorts in here. Then they be a little bit heavily bearish. Then they close these shorts again, and now then they bring the longs, and then they start to close these longs, and they bringing the shorts quite heavily. This is very important, and this is confirming me in this tab where I can see the weekly changes, which is quite big right now to the negative side if we compare with the historical with the history, and as well the net positions, which are currently just 38, which is this year historical low. In compare that it actually dropped from the 155, right? So yeah, I'm thinking the euro is definitely very bearish, and let me just clear this, and I want to show you this as well on the chart, so it might can help you how to understand this COT, right? So let me just store this, and let's go to the platform in here. So here is the platform, and we are looking to the Euro USD chart right now. So as said, we had this would happen on the monthly level, right? So we have the monthly level in here. Let me just explain why I'm saying it's monthly level. Basically, this accumulation was where the banks accumulated the positions for such a big move down, right? So we can expect some reaction in here in this point, and we can see that this reaction happened here in the 3 times, right? So if we check the data, when was it exactly, we can see that it was in here, which is this first one. Then the second reaction was here on the top where they had these massive positions, which is down here, right? So for these past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 weeks, they basically closing these longs, and they adding shorts quite much heavily than in the past, right? So that's bringing me to the thinking that on these monthly levels, they basically want to bring the price lower. Yes, here is as well the monthly level. So currently we are between we're gonna test this level second time. So are they gonna break it, or are they gonna move it up? Well, we don't know, but this information is giving us the clue that might we will go a little bit lower. I cannot say that it will drop, of course, all this way down. That's I don't think this even cannot happen on the dollar with what currently happening on it in the fundamental things. But here is something what we might trade, and what I will be looking for definitely for this week, because let me hide this, we don't need this anymore. So what we have here is this. So we can see basically that the banks has been arranging the price here on these levels, and down here we have the daily level. So what I'm thinking is that basically the price can come down all the way down here, back down to this level, and even here is the 4 hours level in it. So if we go to the 4 hours, yes, we are actually on the 4 hour already. So I think we can go down into this level. So what I will be looking for in this week, okay, this is this 4 hour level actually. So what I will be looking for this week is basically that the price can drop into this level. So here could be some reaction, and if this I don't know how far the price can go, so I will not be shorting just blindly, maybe with some small position, but what I will be looking for is some pullback and then the break and with the stop loss above this, right? So what as well we can see in here is that the 82% of the retail is in the longs positions. Many retailers enter at the longs in here. They are basically wrong, and here is the 18% of the people which are shorting. So basically what can happen, the price can be dropping all the way down here, and the retail still will not be in the profit. That's what the banking algo is still doing, keeping the retail in the loss, right? Not giving them chance, not the buyers, not the sellers to win. So yeah, I want to see first the reaction in here, because it's beginning of the week, and I believe that if the price start to drop, the people start to shorting in here, so it will makes them squeeze. And then if the price will be dropping down, I will be interested to sell it in here with the stop loss above this pullback, and with the target, of course the target could be here on the daily, or even this whole number, or here. But I think I will be happy to take some partial profit on this daily and some on here. So we will see. That's gonna be planned for my week. So yeah, waiting for the reaction on this daily level, then the pullback, and then the next break. If that happen, I will be adding the stop loss above that pullback and above this whole number. Yeah, I take profit in here. Okay, so yeah, this is my view for the Euro USD for this week. Of course, every day I will analyze one chart, so if you're interested, you can subscribe my channel and view more videos. Bye bye.